honorable leaders from Central Trade Union, those all are national trade unions and national leaders of the country, guest, comrades, Sati. On behalf of International Labour Organization and our director, Walter Dagmar, I'd like to congratulate AI2C for its centenary celebration today. A very long journey and struggle, which actually all we heard. I don't want to read all the message. I will hand over it to Comrade Amarjit Kaur, but I'll make only 2-3 points. With the success and experience of support of Unite workers for any organization in the labor movement, it is a matter of pride to work for 100 years and move ahead even more strongly. This is a glaring example of the labor movement around the globe. It is amazing that both ILO and AI2C celebrate their centenary events in the same year. The two organizations have been working together, sharing the success and experience, and joining hands to fight to our common goals, social justice, equality, and freedom. It is like 100-year journey of twin sisters. I am particularly thankful to the organizer for inviting me to participate in today's event. Unfortunately, despite my sincere wish, I could not manage to attend, but my heart is with you here and I'm wishing you all the best. For all of you, it should be a great honor to be part of the centenary celebration of the particular organization working for the freedom of struggle of the country, building workers' consciousness of their rights, dignity and freedom, and leading the workers' movements from the very initial stage of the industrialization of this country. Side by side, AI2C has been playing its tremendous role in strengthening the global labor movement and long contribution to ILO tripartism and dedicated constituents. There are some, but it's actually it will be repetition, I think, no? Okay. As you all know and can feel from our day-to-day experience, the world of work is changing fast, and we need to prepare ourselves to face the existing and future challenges. For the trade unions in India, the challenges are concerned are multifold. On one hand, they are struggling to ensure decent work for the workers, in particular for those who are working in the vast informal sector, still out of labor protection coverage. On the other hand, there is an urgent need to reformulate the strategies to outreach and organize the workers in the new platform economy, care economy, and emerging informal employment. Marking the year 2090 of the ILO centenary, our constituents and the world of work leaders have adopted the most important document, ILO Centenary Declaration for the Future of Work. In the Centenary Declaration, ILO declares that strengthening the institution of work to ensure adequate protection of all workers against its background of new and emerging forms of work. All workers, regardless of their employment status or contractual arrangement, should be granted respect for the fundamental rights, adequate minimum wage, limits on maximum working hours, safety and health at work. ILO is committed to see the future of work with the guarantee of decent jobs for all together with equality and social justice. As an ILO constituent, AI2C has playing a pivotal role to uphold ILO value and principles throughout its journey over the past years. I do believe it will continue and as strongly as it has been in the past. I again thank all of you and wish you all the success in the program. This is the message from ILO Director Walter Dagmar. But personally I am from this region, I am from Bangladesh. And I feel that past 30 years of AI2C journey, we are the part of this journey. Bangladesh labor movement also part of this journey when it was United India. And still, the cause, struggle, all are same. Bangladeshi workers, Indian workers, this subcontinent, all the countries. Wherever I go, I feel the same things. So we need to say that actually I feel honored that I am sitting with all our senior leaders, very dedicated leaders, and I am here I am actually feeling proud and inspired to be here. We'd like to continue our struggle jointly together, not only Indian trade union movement, also South Asian and international. Sometimes we actually forgot these two slogans. One is Duniyar Mazdoor Ek Hao, and another one is Shramik Mazdoor Sangati Jindabad. Sometimes I feel bad actually when I found that we have solidarity rally in Europe for any accident in Bangladesh or India or Pakistan or Sri Lanka, but not in our cities. When there is accident in Dhaka, we don't have any solidarity rally in Mumbai, but there may be in Berlin. Same in when it is Meghalaya, it's not in Dhaka. So we actually restored these things. That is my personal appeal, not as ILO, as a trade union activist from this region. Thank you very much. Duniyar Mazdoor Ek Hao.